So in 43, if I want this derivative, looks like we're going to need quotient rule. So the derivative of the top would be 1 over x, that's one that we memorize, times the bottom left alone. Subtract the derivative of the denominator with the numerator left alone, all over the denominator squared. Okay, any parts of that? Okay, well technically that's the derivative, so then as you guys know, after that sometimes it just depends on how much of a hassle it is to simplify. So I would say dividing by x, multiplying by x squared, this x is going to cancel out one of those x's and leave behind an x. This stuff just doesn't combine together, so I'm just going to leave it alone. And then down here, x squared squared would be like x squared times x squared, which would be x to the 4th. And what have we been using a lot of to simplify in a lot of our questions today? Okay, factor what? Right. If both of these have an x, we can pull it out front, and then that cancels out one of those, and then I don't think you can do anything else. Like that.
For that question, since it's not multiple choice, could you just not simplify it?
If this was free response, yes, you could. In free response, without any simplifying at all, if the question says find the derivative and they give points for that, you don't have to simplify it even one step. But more often than not, in a free response, like this might be part A, and then part B might be like plug in 2 in for x or use it in some way. And then the problem is if you've got this big mess, it's a little bit harder to work with. So you might want to simplify it a little bit for yourself. But yeah, free response, you do not have to simplify derivatives at all to get the points.